Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Summary of the Quran, one topic per page, Juz 5 in 5-minute series. We continue with Surah An-Nisa, which was revealed in 3rd to 5th Hijrah. Pages 1 to 5. Be chaste, pay mahar. Through these rulings and others, Allah mentioned His love, grace and wisdom. Family management and dispute. Manage family issues and disputes as per the guidance given by Allah and do not oppress anyone. Allah's rights, others' rights. Take care of Allah's rights, worship Him alone. Take care of others' rights like parents, relatives, orphans, neighbors, etc. Don't offer salah while intoxicated because you don't understand what you say, and this was before intoxicants were made haram. It shows that we should understand the salah, and in case of lack of water or no water, perform tayammum. Jewish claims and faith. Jews claim that they are pure and said that disbelievers are better guided than Muslims, and that was in Medina. They did these because of jealousy. Here are the pointers for pages 1 to 5. Repeat them on your fingers and pinch your fingers as you say them. Pages 6 through 10. Maintain justice and return the trusts. Obey Allah, His Messenger and those in authority. In case of dispute, refer to the book and the Sunnah. Hypocrites' rejection. Whenever hypocrites are called to accept the truth, they reject it. But in case of trouble, they make excuses. Hypocrites' opportunism. They are opportunists. They look for material gains only. They are not ready to sacrifice for the faith. Fighters and those who fear. After the losses in Uhud, enemies had become bold. Medina and its Muslims came under bigger threat. In these situations, Allah gave the command to fight. Some people started fearing and backing away from it. They are told death is inevitable and the hereafter is better. Weak faith and tadabbur. Hypocrites did not care to follow the orders of the Prophet ﷺ. They were weak in their faith. Allah encouraged them to do tadabbur in the Quran as it would improve their faith and cure the hypocrisy. Here are the pointers for pages 6 to 10. Let's pick a theme, an anchor. Pages 7 through 10 is about hypocrites and those weak in faith. An anchor is salah and tayammum. Pages 11 through 15. Fighting with hypocrites. Fight with those hypocrites who live among enemies and participate in their attacks against Muslims. Killing of a believer. A believer must pay for the atonement of killing a believer by mistake. Intentionally killing a believer leads to hell and the wrath and the curse of Allah forever. Hijrah guidelines. Hell is promised for those who do not do hijrah in spite of their power and still live among those enemies who do not let them practice Islam. Those who are unable to do hijrah are excused. Salah during battle. Method of salah during battle is given because the enemy wants to attack you at that time. Perform the prayers as usual in other times. Don't support treacherous. These people won't get any support on the Day of Judgment. Here are the pointers for pages 11 through 15. Pages 16 through 20. Purpose of meetings. You may hold secret meetings for sadaqah or for the sake of doing good or for improving the relationships between people. Jannah for whom? For those who do good deeds and have faith, not those who have just desires. Saving a marriage. Husband and wife should save their marriage and make compromises in case of dispute. Be just in all circumstances, even if it is against you or close relatives. Hypocrites' frauds. The hypocrites do many frauds. They look for their own benefits. Their prayers are for show off. They take others as allies. They will be in the lowest level of help. These are the pointers for pages 16 through 20. And let's pick an anchor and a theme. Page 11 is about hypocrites in continuation with previous pages, and 15 through 20 is about protection of society from inside and out. And the anchor is purpose of meetings. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.